house. And at the end, a magic surprise. Stay with me.
For apple, B is for
First,
ball.
draw a big apple shape.
D is for doll. E is for egg. F is for fish. G is for goat. H is for hat. I is for ice cream. J is for jump. K is for kite. L is for lamp. M is for moon. N is
Now add a small door and 2 windows.
for P is for pet. Q is for queen. R is for rain. S is for sun. T is for train. U is for umbrella. V is for van. W is for whale. X is for xylophone. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Now you know your ABC. Sing again with me. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Now you know your ABC. Sing again with me.
Let's add kawaii eyes and a happy smile.
Sing, little bird, sing soft and low through the storm and the wind.
Now, trace the lines again to make them bold. Nice work. Keep going.
Song, though the world's not sweet. Twirl in the sunlight that hides behind gray. Hum the tune the grown-ups say. Close your eyes, breathe the night. Smile, little birds, everything's alright. Sing, little birds, your song is so fine. It warms the hearts that are not kind. One last note, one final rhyme. Then sleep, little.
Look! The apple has an apple slice snack. Yum, yum, yum. So funny! Now color the apple red. cute drawings.